Sand castle. Children, you might have made a sand castle, or you all would like to. Let's make a sand castle. You have seen such sand castles around the seashores. Now, apply the glue to the picture of castle and put sand on it. You will get an amazing look for your sand castle. Color the remaining picture with beautiful colors. Your sand castle is ready.